Hello, my dear friends. I am Dharmendra. I am going to record a video how to create a PhD thesis, or you can say that how can we can write a PhD thesis in latex. First of most important thing, how to write. There are the two procedure. First of all, you will write your whole thesis in programming in latex. It is very difficult task. So we are going to move with the templates. There are a lot of templates available. By using this, you can easily create a your thesis. And very important and easy way to create a thesis. And thesis your output of your research. 4 year to 5 year after research you can write a thesis. Then it is a good impression if you write a good thesis and good outlook of the thesis. So let's start how to record a how to create a thesis. This is the template we are already downloaded, and we have comment section so that you can easily download, or you can go on template where you can easily download. You can according to your requirement, because there are the lot of thesis template available on Google. You can just so that you can easily download from the sites. Okay, dear. So this is the my template that I was already downloaded and extracted in the form of I already extracted in the extracted, so that this is the whole thesis. There are a lot of file. You can see that this is the aux file. You can see that output file, lot file. This is the output file, auxiliary file, and this is the text file. Basically, in text file, all the text code, latex code will be shown in the text file, so that you can easily compile your file, and you can add your data so that you can write your thesis. This is the information thesis information file, and you can easily see that. You can see that this is the references. You can see the preamble, references, hook. This is the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. It's depend upon how you can download your what is the format. You can write your thesis in the form of format, in the form of chapter, or in the form of paper. Somebody can add your chapters in the form of chapter, your thesis in the form of chapter, or in the form of research paper. Somebody in a thesis there are the basically 2 or 3 5 to 6 chapters. First chapter is introduction, second chapter is literature review, third chapter you can add your research methodology and diagram. Fourth you can add your coding part, and in fifth chapter you can conclusion, and last one is the references. Yeah, this is a division of your thesis. Some guys add, first of all you can add a chapter 1 introduction, then literature review. In third section they add the research paper that was already published in your market, and after that there are the 2 paper, 3 paper, or 4 paper. He or she can add easily 2 or 3 paper, and after last chapter is a conclusion part, and in the last there are attached references or appendix. So first of all we go to the thesis information, so that you can easily see that thesis information. This is the thesis information. You can see that first on clicking, this is the my first page. You can see that easily. This is the first page. This is the title of your thesis. You can see that this is the title. This is your logo, university logo, and this is the name of author, and this is the department. You can add easily department as per your requirement. This is the college and date. Okay, dear, this is the first thesis text. You can see the document class. Which one document class I already. This is the A4 paper, 12 points times. This is the style, number, print, or index. This is the description. A4 paper. This is the 11 point or 12 point, depend upon your requirement, which font scale you choose. This is the one-sided or two-sided. Most of the people choose one side, because your thesis size much greater. print, you want to print appropriate margin or not, depend upon your index. You can add a index or end of the thesis. If you want to add your index, then you can add index, otherwise do not add index. This is the draft, and this is the abstract. Abstract, your title page. Abstract will describe your thesis, what your work have done in your thesis. This is the abstract. If your abstract is good, then you can easily describe your thesis and your work with the help of abstract. Okay, after that you can add a chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. This is the adding a preamble, you requirement of the thesis depend upon universities. This is the thesis information. This is the whole information given about the thesis, because thesis information basically latex information, how to write the thesis, what are the format of the thesis. These are the things are defined in the thesis information part. Nothing to read this part, because no need to declare. No, the next is the include only declaration. If you are want to add a declaration or abstract, you can add a chapter. If you want to add include only a chapter. And this is the declaration part, other declaration part, acknowledgement, and abstract. This is the basically this is a make a title. If you are want to make a title, then you can easily add a make a title. This is the table. You can add a table, list of figure, and list of tables, content, figure, and tables. This is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. You can add chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, depend upon. If you add another chapter, then just remove the percentage act as a comment in latex. Okay, dear. Next is the next part is bibliography part. There are the begin bibliography from here, and this is the end spacing, because here defining the spacing 0.9 you can add as per your requirement. You can subtract or adjust your spacing between two references according to your requirement. This is the size 0.8, 0.9, or 1.1, 1.2, depend upon your requirement. Okay, this is the bibliography file. Okay, this is the bibliography references. This is the references. I already show your reference section where a biblio file will be attached easily in your this is the appendix. There are the two appendix part. You want to add 3, 4, 5, 6 according to your requirement. You can easily add your reference appendix section. Next section is dedication. You can see the dedication, begin and end dedication. Between begin and end dedication, you add your dedication. Which person you want to dedicate your thesis. This is the dedication. Preamble. In preamble, you can add what is the basically it will be show the page margin, what are the page margin, which size of page you want to add. This is the left margin, right margin, top margin, and bottom margin. Geometry is basically add a package which will be used to add a graphics or images, basically used for geometric classes. Nothing this is the non. If you want to change your size, then you can easily change here size. Nothing to change anything else in this is the basically show the book packages, multiple row. You want to add a multiple row. This is the package model for SI units. SI unit physics chemistry. In physics chemistry you can use SI unit metrics. So that this is the requirement. Year, author, package requirement, square root number, year of author. You can easily add a year of author. This is the references section where you can add references. Okay, dear. Set counter. You can add a number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. According to this you can add a package. This is the package enumerated item, basically used for providing numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, dear. Next section is uh, this is this is the first page of your thesis. You can see that this one is the declare. Here you can see easily you can see that this one is the okay, this one is the Department of Engineering. Author name, you can easily add author name. University of Delhi, you can add a or you can university, which university. You can add or subtract your text height or width. Okay, this is the thesis title, degree title, college name. You can easily add a college name, or this is the PhD thesis, engineering and stuff, you can easily meta information. If you need meta information, then add, otherwise no need to declaration. Then next part is declaration. You can as easy declaration as per university declaration. What are the university required for declaration? You can add a declaration package. Basically here will we show the thesis is genuine, no copy, and how many words contain this information shown in declaration part. Acknowledgement it will be changed according to your university requirement. You can add acknowledgement as your requirement. Next section is the abstract. I already tell you, if good abstract in your thesis, then it will be describe whole thesis and whole work, which work you have done in your thesis or in your PhD work. Chapter 1, this is the introduction part. You can see that this is the declaration part, this is the acknowledgement part, this is the abstract. You can add abstract as per requirement. This is the table of content. It will be automatically come, no need to add. This is the list of figure, and this is the list of tables. Okay, this is the chapter 1. This is the introduction. You can as introduction section 1, section 2, according to your requirement, how many section you need. You can easily copy and paste. If you want to write a special equation, you see my last video where I can where I told about the how to write the equation and how to write your thesis in form of graphics form, or you can how to add in images in your thesis. You can easily add that images or thesis in your images in your thesis. Okay, you can see that, and this is the chapter 1. Next part is chapter 2. This one is the chapter 2. You can just add a chapter 2. You can see that easily. Just start from the chapter and chapter name. No need to, if you no need to describe this, no need to add this. If you want to change, then you can change, otherwise no need to change this. Next is a section, subsection. You want to add a heading or subsection. This is the subsection. You can easily add the short title of the your chapter. Okay, someone need to large title, then after a small title for a chapter, then you can easily add a small title. Okay, so that it will be easy visible to you. After that, you can add a chapter 2 section, the same format, and chapter 3. Next section is a chapter 3. See, in same format you can add images or chapters. In chapters you can add images or text or tables. You can easily add the tables. If you want to add a table, then you can see my last video where can I show you how to add a table in a latex, so that it will be easy to you can see that. Next section is the these are the table, and this is the references. In references there is the bibliofile. This is the reference bibliofile. You can add easily references, so that this one is the author, this is the author, not. Okay, you can add a book or title author, or you can article author easily, so that you can easily see that. You can see that there are different format according to your requirement, or according to your format. You can add a thesis, so that it will be easily visible in your reference section. Okay, you can add. Next section is the appendix. You can appendix provide the information about the, this is the appendix section, name is windows. Okay, where how can download, what are the requirement, how many requirement, where you can download, what are the system requirement to run this thesis. This is the information given, but you can add your according to appendix, according to your requirement. If no need, then you no need to add. Okay, this is the last one. You can see that this is the appendix 1, and this is the appendix 2. So in same format you can write your thesis. Okay, my dear friends, thank you for watching my video.